Hi guys. Okay, so can you hear me? If you can hear me, just let me know so that we'll start. We'll wait for some 2 minutes, not more than that, and then we will continue with our topic. Hi guys. Okay, so can you hear me? If you can hear me, just let me know. We'll start. We'll wait for that. Hello. Okay. Hi guys. Can you hear me, guys? If someone is online, just let me know as a yes, no, whatever it is, so that I will start with the today's topic and I will not waste your timing because I know this is Saturday. Most of the people want to just celebrate with their family. Okay, Vinayak, thank you so much. Actually, guys, what happened? I tried to log in. I tried to do this live streaming previously before 5 minutes back also, but there was some issue. So because of that only, I had to start it one more time. But I think this is looking good, right? So can we go ahead with today's topic without wasting the time? And how is your so Vinayak, are you a Oracle DBA? Do you want to start your career as a Oracle DBA? I saw you most of the time. You are coming online and watching the live sessions. Just wanted to know more about you. I joined you 5 minutes back and joined you again. Mohsin, yes, I just remember your last question that you were asking me about what is cluster, right? Rack cluster. So I remember you about your questions. So in my last video, I just can you see that whiteboard in my backside? I tried to share. Okay. So how many years of experience do you guys having, Mohsin and Vinayak? Are you working with any company or so just started the career? Are you a fresher? Okay. Yeah, my memory is really good, Mohsin. I know. So as I promised, like every time I will come with something. Oh, Mohsin is having 9 years of experience in Oracle DB. Good to see that. So you are a champ now. Hi Ashlesh, thanks for connecting, guys. So today's topic will be really interesting. Okay, so we'll be discussing about a lot of good things about the career. You guys are working with the Oracle DBA from so many years. There are many people, they are already in Oracle DBA from so many years, and they want to start their career in Oracle. They want to start their career in Hadoop technology. So I'll be discussing about that, like how you can switch your career. Okay. Okay, so Ashlesh is having 10 years of experience as an Oracle PL SQL developer, right? There are candidates, those who are taking training under me. Most of the candidates are for this PL SQL developer only, and they also want to start their career as a Oracle DBA. So it's good time, now because of this COVID-19, there is a lot of free time we have, and you can utilize this free time to practice more and more. Okay. most of the time I told you people, right, how you can start practicing about the Oracle DBA. So if you want me to tell you again one more time, just let me know, I can explain it, right? So Vinayak is doing the currently internship. Okay, good. So when you are doing the internship with any organization or anywhere, okay, try to install this Oracle database software on your VMware workstation. Okay, VMware workstation is there, or you can use the Oracle virtual box. Okay, and by using those software, you can easily install this. If you are not, sometimes the people are much not confident about how you can install this Oracle database on Linux operating system, because that is quite difficult, not difficult actually, but for freshers they will face some issue. So what you can do, you can directly install it on your Windows also, that's not a problem. So install it on your Windows, and then usually you can go for Linux. Okay, so Nick is saying Hadoop admin interview guidance. I do practice Hadoop admin on AWS. So it's good to see that you are doing the practice on AWS, because nowadays the combination of Hadoop along with the cloud, these people are asking. And guys, if you want to do some practice on cloud platform, every cloud platform, if you talk about the GCP, AWS, Azure is there. Okay, Oracle cloud is there. All those cloud platform services, they are giving some kind of maybe $300 they are giving it you. Okay, so by using that $300 you can do and start practicing yourself. Okay, so this is how I also started, and this is how you can also start. Okay, so but make sure that once you do this cloud registration, make sure you killed all the sessions, or all the Unix operating system or whatever cluster you created it, you need to kill it, otherwise you will have a big penalty from the cloud platform, and they will auto debit the amount from your things, so be ready. Okay. Okay, so we are a good time over here. Okay, now let's talk about the Hadoop. So do you want me to start the Hadoop things? Are you good? Can we start now? Just let me know if you want me to start now, so that we'll go. Okay. Okay guys, so let me just give me 1 minute. Okay, let me get my pen tab. Let me show you something new which I bought only for you guys. Okay, so this is the pen tab which I'll be using in the future videos. Can you see it clearly? Is it visible? Okay, so this pen tab I'll be using so that the things will be more interactive. And last time someone suggested me that instead of using this whiteboard, you can use this pen tab, and I have already created one video like about total unboxing of this pen tab, what is the future and all the stuffs. So in my future video you'll see this pen tab that I'll be using it. Okay, and before starting to this session guys, one more thing which I want to ask you here, that okay, so is it not visible? Can you see it? So this is one pane is there, it is coming with one pane, and this is the pen tab. Okay, okay, so let me try to open the OneNote. It is visible. Oh Mohsin, thank you for okay, so we'll be discussing about Hadoop things. Okay, Okay, just let me just confirm whether you can see my screen. uh, can you see my screen, this white screen, guys? Okay, 1 minute, guys. There are some. Let me just zoom out it. Okay. Okay. Can you see my this white screen? No white screen. Okay. Is it now? Okay. You'll be seeing now. Okay. I think you can see it right now. Can you see it, guys? This white screen? Yes. Okay. Great. Okay. Let me do that. Okay. So what is Hadoop? Okay. So first thing is we'll discuss about what is Hadoop. Okay, and how it is possible for us to start your career if you're working as a Oracle DBA, and how it is easy for you to start your career as a Hadoop developer. That are all things we are going to see in this video. Okay, so let me talk about Hadoop first. Okay, what is Hadoop? Okay, see, being a Oracle DBA, you are working with different technology. Okay, let's say you are a Oracle DBA. You are Oracle DBA. So being a Oracle DBA, you will be working with Linux. Okay, you will be working with SQL command. Okay, and apart from this, you will be also working with the shell scripting. Okay, shell scripting. Okay, so this is all things that you can see as a part of Oracle DBA. Now let me take about the Hadoop. Okay, in Hadoop we have a different components are there. Okay, now if I show you the diagram, I will show you after 2 minutes back, after 2 minutes later. In Hadoop we have a different components are there. Let me show you that one more time. So if you see this diagram, let me see that. Okay, okay, if you see this diagram, okay, in Hadoop we are using a different components are there. In Hadoop we have a different components are there. Now this is the part of your Hadoop ecosystem. Okay, in this Hadoop ecosystem we have a different components are there, and every component is for some particular use. Okay, so we have Uzi is there, which is useful for your job scheduling. Okay, peak, nowadays the peak is not no one is using it, is useful for scripting purpose. High, which is useful for SQL queries. Okay, and then we have a machine learning. This kind of stuff will be useful by the data scientist people. Okay, then we have a different thrift servers are there. Okay, now the most important part is your HDFS, where we will store your data, and then we have a map reduce, which will be helpful for your data processing. And for yarn, whenever you need some resources in order to run the job, you are using this yarn. Okay, so all the stuffs are available inside the Hadoop component. Okay, all the stuffs are available inside the Hadoop component. These are all the components of Hadoop ecosystem. Now if you want to learn this Hadoop, basically you need to. Okay, is it visible, guys? Okay, so if you want to learn this Hadoop, basically, each and every component whatever I showed to you, that all components you need to learn yourself. Okay, each and every component that you need to learn. So yeah, I talk about this different components are there. Now let me try to compare all the stuffs okay, with your Oracle DBA. Now in Oracle DBA, the first thing that we have heard, that is Linux. So Linux related to the things which is in Hadoop, that we called it as a HDFS, okay, which is a Hadoop file system. Okay, it is very easy, or you can say that whatever the commands which you can see inside the Linux, all command you can see in HDFS only. So in Linux you have the command like ls, okay, you have the command like ls. In Linux you have the command like ls to list down the different directory. So in HDFS you have HDFS dfs hyphen ls command. So this thing will be always constant, this will never get changed, this will always constant, this will be always constant. HDFS and dfs, okay, HDFS hyphen dfs will be always constant, and hyphen ls, this command which you have already seen into the Linux operating system only. Okay, now let me take one other example. As when you want to create a directory in Linux, you are using the command called mkdir, right? In Linux you are using the command mkdir. Now in HDFS you are using the command like HDFS dfs hyphen mkdir, same command. Okay, this is useful to create your directory in HDFS. Now what is HDFS and all the stuff, that is a part of your, when you deal with the Hadoop ecosystem, when you try to learn the Hadoop, that I will tell you in the later videos. If you wish to learn the Hadoop, okay, if you wish to learn the Hadoop and you want me to take the sessions on this Hadoop component, then definitely I'll be working on it. Okay, I'll be definitely creating the videos on this. So my intention is, if you are already a Oracle DBA and you know this Linux command, you can easily understand this HDFS. You can easily understand this HDFS because the commands which you see inside the Linux, all commands are available in HDFS. Okay, everything is same. Okay, all the commands, everything is same. Now let's talk about the second component of your Oracle DBA. Now second component is SQL. You know, we are using the different tables, views, all the stuffs we are using it. Now the same component which you can see in Oracle DBA, the kind of same component you can get it in Hadoop, that we called it as a Hive. Okay, Hive. So what is the use of this Hive? Hive is basically a kind of your database only, okay, where you can create the database, okay, where you can create the tables and you can load your data, kind of your CSV data or all your files, you can store it into the tables only, right? Now the thing is, when you are dealing with the Hive tables, you need to fire all the command like your SQL queries, okay, joins, okay, all those things are available inside the Hive, because Hive is basically a component of Hadoop which is useful to process the structure kind of data. Okay, because we know that RDBMS database store the structural kind of data, right? So if you want to store some structural data, we are using the Hive, and in Hive we already know all the stuffs, right? So this is Hive, which is very pretty much similar with your SQL commands only. If you know SQL command, you can easily understand the Hive. So both the components which you can understand easily. Now let me talk about the shell scripting. Okay, so if you are good with the programming language, okay, let's say you are good with the programming. Now there are a lot of languages are there in the IT industry. We have a C, C++, Java, .NET, then we in PHP, there are a lot of things are there in PHP also, Cake PHP, then we have in Java we have Spring, Hibernate, lot of stuffs are there, right? Do you really think that all those technology you need to learn, is it compulsory? No. If you know one programming language, okay, you can easily understand second programming language, because the fundamentals will be always common. There will not be much differences. Only the new features will be added. Now if I'm just comparing with the Oracle database, if you know Oracle 12c, okay, if you know Oracle 12c, you can easily understand Oracle 19c. You can easily understand. You can easily understand 20c also. You can easily understand 11g also, because The fundamentals will be always common, only the new features will be added to each and everything. Okay, so because of that only, if you know the shell scripting, let's say you are good with the shell scripting, and here in Hadoop we have the component, we called it as a map reduce. Okay, and nowadays the people are using Spark. Okay, so if you're good with the shell scripting, you will be definitely good with the map reduce and Spark. Okay, there will not be any issue. And in some case, let's say some people are good with the Java language only, maybe you heard this Java language at your college time, then definitely this will be really helpful for you to understand the map reduce and Spark. Okay, the map reduce is based upon the Java language only. Okay, and Spark, which can be worked with the language like Java, you can use Java, or you can use your Scala. Okay, or you can use Python. Okay, so guys, you know, if you are working as a Oracle DBA and you want to start your career in the Oracle DBA field, then you can easily do that, because whatever the things which you are doing right now, all those things is going to be helpful for you when you want to start your career as a Hadoop developer. Okay, let me take out some questions like what are all things are there. Just we want you to create the videos on Hadoop component. Definitely I'll be creating on it. Okay, definitely. So Mohsin, I saw your message, and definitely I'll be creating more and more videos on the Hadoop component. Okay, any question guys till now? If you don't have any question, just let me know, otherwise I will think about what I want to start on it. Okay, Anand Parmar, he is my student. Champ, he is a champ. Thanks for coming, Anand. I think you don't you don't need to come now. You are already champ. Thanks, Papa, joining. Okay, Amit Soni, thank you for joining, guys. Okay, and if you think that you guys I'm doing good, so okay, one more request, guy. If you think that we are doing a good work, okay, and you want to support us, definitely you can support us. Okay, we'll be definitely try to give more and more videos. We'll try to put the things in more good manner. Okay, so definitely we'll be working on it. So do you want me to continue on this Hadoop right now? Do you want to tell me more things? If yes, then let me know. I will just continue more and more things on it. Okay, okay, become YouTuber. Thank you, thanks for joining, guys. Become YouTuber. Okay, okay, one more thing which I want to tell you about. Nick is saying Hadoop Spark, explain, will you? Yeah, sure. Right now I am taking the batches on Hadoop also. Okay, so if you wish to take the batches, or take me, if you want to train yourself, you can contact with me. Okay, so Hadoop administration would like to, okay, Hadoop administration would like to learn. Okay, so what is, see, the track which I told you right now, that is your Hadoop development track. Okay, that is your Hadoop development track. And if I just want to tell you about something called Hadoop administration, yes, that is also a different track. So in Oracle, so we have a track like Oracle developer, Oracle DBA. The DBA people are doing the administration. The same way Hadoop admin people, they are doing the administration of the cluster, Hadoop cluster, right? So the thing is over here that you need to decide yourself in which track you want to go. Okay, if you are working as a Oracle DBA, you can easily go with the Hadoop administration part, because here also you are administrator, there also you are administrator. But some people are there, they want to switch their career from the DBA to the development part. Okay, so in that case you can think about it, and you can see like, okay, can we go ahead with the Oracle, can we go ahead with this Hadoop development track? Then yes, I can say this, yes, you can easily go that. Okay, it's easily you can go back to the development track. Okay, and Deepak is asking, tell me about the Oracle Cloud versus SAP Cloud. Yeah, already last time I created one video based upon the Oracle Cloud. In future also you will see more and more videos based upon the Oracle Cloud only. Okay, so just hold on for some time, guys, because I whenever I'm getting the free time, I used to create the video on this. And before starting to my next portion, guys, please do like, subscribe and share this channel. Okay, please like to this, and you can send me the chat review. There is a thing that you can also send me this chat. By using the chat also you can send the if you wish to donate something. Okay. Okay, so let's discuss something about few more things about the Hadoop. Okay, so what to discuss, let me think about it now. I want to discuss few more things. Okay, let's talk about Hadoop practice. Okay, some people will say that how can I start practicing about the Hadoop? That will be your next question. Okay, so let me tell you about things, guys. Okay. Okay, now if you want to start the Hadoop practice just like the Oracle database only, you can do the Hadoop practice also. There will not be any issue. Okay, so if you see here, this is a Cloudera machine. Can you see this Cloudera machine? Uh, this is your actually. Okay, let me just zoom out first. Okay, okay. Can you see this Cloudera machine behind me? Okay, so this Cloudera machine is related to the Hadoop only. Okay, this Cloudera machine is related to the Hadoop only. And if you want to start practicing on Hadoop, then you can do, you can just download this Cloudera machine and you can start practicing. By downloading this Cloudera machine, you will get all the components of your Hadoop automatically will be downloaded over here. Okay, you don't need to install it. So your HDFS, Hive, Scoop, okay, all the stuffs will be there. Okay, one more thing which I forget you about, the one component of Hadoop ecosystem, that is Scoop is there. Okay, Scoop, the Scoop is mainly useful when you want to take the data from your RDBMS and store it to the Hadoop file system or Hadoop table, we called it as a Hive. Okay, so when you want to take the data from your RDBMS to Hive, you can do that with the help of Scoop. Scoop is pretty much simple and it is like common only, just like your other softwares. That's not a problem. Okay, so any kind and if you want to start practicing this Hadoop, okay, if you want to start practicing this Hadoop, you can easily do the practice also by downloading and installing this Cloudera. Okay, this is freely available on the website. If you want me to create the video on a Cloudera machine, how to download and all the stuff, definitely I can create on it. Okay, in the future definitely I'll be creating on it. Okay, so guys, anything you want to take me, you want me to ask? Okay. Okay, so it's been already more than 29 minutes we are discussing with each other. If you have any queries, so guys, if you want to start your career in the Hadoop, definitely you can start it. Okay, there will not be an issue. You can think about it, you can start you can start it. Okay, you can easily start it. Now how to start it? There are multiple ways are there. Either you can join any classes. Okay, and you can prepare yourself, that also you can do. Okay, and if you want me to create some videos based upon the Hadoop as I requested previously, definitely I'll be creating more on it. Okay, so that's it. I think we are good for today's. Okay, I think we are good for today's, so we can stop from here. Okay, so if you have any queries, or let me know, and please like this video, guys. Okay, please like this and share this video, and I hope this channel is helpful for you to understand more things about. Okay, Hardik, thank you so much for joining. Nick Fury, I like your name, Nick. I do. And yes, Nick, as per your request, how to Spark explain will you? Yeah, I'll be definitely creating mostly videos on Hadoop and Spark. Maybe by today also you will see more videos on that. Okay, so I'll be creating by today also. So if you don't have any question, guys, can I stop? I'll just wait for 2 minutes. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will stop for the today's session. Okay. So Mohsin is saying please make a video on Hadoop. Yeah, sure. Sure, Mohsin. My next video will be based upon the Hadoop architecture. Okay, so there you will understand each and every component, like what is that and all the stuff. Definitely, I'll be creating on it. Okay, in my next video, I'll be creating on it. So next question will be okay. There is next question from become YouTuber like Oracle SQL. All databases are same like Oracle SQL Server, Hadoop, MySQL are same. See, Hadoop is not a database. Okay, Hadoop is it's not a database. Hadoop is just a solution for big data problem. See, there is one limit for the Oracle database. There is a chances that you can store up to one limit in Oracle database. After that, you cannot store. You can store the data, but you will see a lot of problem with the performance issue with the Oracle database. Another thing is why how a Hadoop is different than Oracle, that you need to understand. In Oracle database you can store the data like your structural kind of data. Structured data, what is the data which can store in rows and column. Okay, let's say you are using this Facebook application, you are using this Twitter application. In Facebook and Twitter you can see you have a data, different types of data is there. Okay, the data you can have a data like your post is there which are in text format, audio is there, video is there, right? Then images is there, lot of kind of data, different kind of data is there. So how are you going to process all those data? Can you store that data, this kind of data, into the Oracle database? No, because Oracle has not created to store the semi structured kind of data. Let's talk about the JSON XML data. Is it possible? Right, in the now next advanced databases it is possible, but if you talk about the video, audio, all those data cannot be processed by the Oracle, and Oracle have some restriction. Okay, there is some limit. Till one extent you can store the data, but after that you need to think about it. Now when you are getting the data from different sources, let's talk about the Oracle databases. Let's say you are getting the data from Oracle, let's say you are getting the data from MySQL, let's say you are getting the data CSV format, your video is there, audio is there, different kind of data, JSON data, XML data, all those data can be processed with the help of Hadoop ecosystem. Okay, all this data can be processed with the Hadoop ecosystem, and because of that only you can see there are different components are there in the Hadoop. So if you want to store some structural kind of data, you can use Hive. If you want to take the data from your Oracle database and store it to the Hive tables, you can use Scoop. Okay, now when you want to store the data on file system, you have your HDFS. When you want to run some real time of streaming, last time I created one video about what is the difference between batch streaming and real time streaming. That time in real time streaming you are using your Spark is there. Okay, now if you ask me like, okay, so if you ask me about whether Hadoop is a database, no, that is not a database. Now the next question, whether this Oracle, MySQL, all database are same. So let me tell you guys, if you know this Oracle database, okay, you can easily understand the MySQL also. The concept are same only. Okay, there also we have a full backup, incremental backup, archive log backup, all the stuffs are there also. Okay, only the thing is maybe the syntax is different. Okay, and if you ask me about the SQL server, the best part about the SQL server is that is a graphical user interface. So just go there, right click, take the backup, all the stuffs are happening in the SQL server. But in Oracle database, everything is everything is your command line interface. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so I'm getting the request for MariaDB. Okay, yeah, there are many databases are there. Okay, so all the database that we need to learn one by one. Okay, so guys, my next target will be based upon the Hadoop. I have already created some videos on Hadoop also. You can check my channel, and definitely, and if you want me to train you on Hadoop technology, okay, and on Oracle DBA, definitely you can contact me. Okay, all my contacts are available, you can get it on a description section. I provide the training on Oracle DBA, data guard, also on Hadoop development track. Okay, so you can reach out me on my WhatsApp. Definitely I'll be helping you. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Okay, let's connect in the next session, maybe by tomorrow only. And please do like, subscribe and share this channel, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, rest of the questions I will take it in the next session. Okay, and definitely I'll be helping you out. Thank you, bye bye for the day. See you again with the next video, and please do like, subscribe and share this channel. Bye bye.